Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of class 11th chapter Arithmetic Progression CBSE pattern some important questions. Okay, the question is the sum of the three terms of in an AP is minus 3 and their product is 8. Find the numbers. Sum of three numbers in AP is minus 3 and their product is 8. Find the numbers. So we need to assume three numbers in an AP series. That is, let us three numbers be a minus d, a comma a plus d. See why we have taken a minus d comma a plus d as standard, because those are the least numbers. Those are the starting numbers, least numbers. So if you are trying to draw a graph in linear pair of linear equations, we will try to take minimum values, right, for drawing a graph. So this is also similar, that I have taken as minimum values. A minus d is the one negative value, a is neutral value, a plus d is a positive value. So these three values are the standard values. So let the three numbers be a minus d, comma a plus d of an AP. So take the sum of these three numbers. So we get a minus d plus a plus d equal to minus 3. Simplify, we get a equal to minus 1. And given that the product of the three numbers is 8, guys. So simplify, a minus d into a plus d equal to 8. So a plus d into a minus d, that is a square minus b square form, into a. So substitute a value equal to minus 1 in this. So we get minus 1 into 1 minus d square equal to 8. So send this minus 1 to RHS, it becomes minus 1. So it becomes 1 minus d square equal to minus 8. Therefore d square equal to minus 8 minus 1. I am sending 1 to the RHS also. Therefore d square equal to 9. D equal to plus or minus 3. So we got d value as 2 values and a value is 1 value. So we have two cases here. If a equal to 1, d equal to 3. If a equal to minus 1, d equal to positive plus 3. Then what are the three numbers? So a value is minus 1, a plus d is, substitute the values and simplify, we get 2. Okay, and a minus d is minus 4. Therefore, if a equal to minus 1, d equal to 3, we get the numbers are minus 1, 2, minus 4. Okay, and if a equal to minus 1, d equal to minus 3, substitute the values. We get minus 1, minus 4, 3, guys. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. For any doubt, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.